Hi there. We at Holman take COVID-19 very seriously, and we've been thinking how we can help. So we put together this little stand that will help you to put hand sanitizer anywhere you want. Hi Smart Gardeners, and welcome back to yet another 3-Minute Thursday. Great to see you all again. During times like these, hygiene is crucial to maintain a safe and healthy environment. So today I'll be showing you how to put together a hand sanitizer stand made from PVC pipe. All you need to do to assemble the hand sanitizer stand is one piece of 1 meter 100mm DWV pipe, one bolted trap screw, a 100 by 90mm pipe adapter, and one 80mm cap. Now to put some weight in the stand, we suggest some pebbles or sand will do the job as well. Now start off by putting the bolted trap screw at the bottom of your pipe, like that, and use your pebbles to put some weight in it. Next, you will use your 100mm by 90mm pipe adapter and put that on the top. And for the hand sanitizer bottle to stand in it, use the 80mm DWV cap, put that on the top here as well, and place your hand sanitizer bottle. Now to finish things off, we suggest giving it a nice paint or put some decorations like stickers on it. There you have it, Smart Gardeners. You successfully assembled one of those hand sanitizer stands. Now we all from Holman hope that you stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.